Okay, quick video today. I want to show you how to insert OLE links into AutoCAD. If you're not familiar with OLE links, it basically means that we're going to insert an Excel sheet. You can also do Word, but anything sort of from a Microsoft program that you want to link into AutoCAD. So there are several different ways to do this. You can just directly copy and paste, but the way I'm going to show you automatically updates. And what I mean by that is if you change something in the Excel thing that you linked, it will automatically update in the link in AutoCAD. So it's pretty straightforward. Select the area that you want and Control C. And here's where it gets tricky. In AutoCAD, in the ribbon, in the home bar, you sort of pull out these additional options, pull down on the spaced icon and it's a paste special. And instead of just pasting, you want to paste a link to this Excel worksheet and say OK. And there it is. One of the really nice things about these links is it's a what you see is what you get environment, right? So whatever colors, whatever formatting, whatever scale, whatever size you have in Excel, it matches it exactly. Okay? You can move it around, you can put it on locked layers, it doesn't really matter. But one thing you want to be cognizant of in the properties bar, when you have it selected, go to properties. If you have colors, grids, anything like that, you want to have it set to high graphics. Just black and white text, monochromatic is completely fine. But if you want it to print with these colors, you got to switch that over to high graphics. So I'll give you an example of this. Let's say we added 4 more units to that 3rd floor. There it goes. Automatically will update. Back it goes. The only thing it can't do is resize itself, so if I like sort of stretch these cells out, you might have to delete this link and re-import it. So I'm going to show you what this looks like by right clicking, and let's go to plot. Okay, that all looks fine. It's going to go ahead and generate this PDF just so you guys can see it. It will, there's the one strange thing with these OLE links, there's sort of a gotcha in these that if you try to edit and save the Excel sheet while you have the AutoCAD open, sometimes you can break it. And there's sort of a certain order to it, right? Like you want to save the Excel and then save AutoCAD. You don't want to save AutoCAD and then try to save Excel. There's a possibility, if you will, that you'll crash one or both programs and completely lock up and there's no going back from it. So you can see this looks really good. When you do put it on high resolution, you get even this ghosted grid behind it. So in Excel, if you wanted all the colors, the high def, but you didn't want to see the grid, in Excel you'd have to sort of turn off that gray background grid. It really is a what you see is what you get, true copy paste. Alright, there you go. Short video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope that works for you guys. I will say, sort of as a last note to this, that again, there are different ways to insert Excel tables. That is an example. You can do an AutoCAD table and then link the information and the formulas from Excel into that AutoCAD table. The reason I don't do that is because it doesn't keep the formatting, the colors, the text, any of that from Excel. Basically it's just doing a formulas and values capture, but I can understand that sometimes that might be a useful thing to have. Okay, yeah, there you go. Anyway, best of luck. Hope it works for you. Thanks.